welcome to my channel Sunshine Classics. My name is Ralph and I want to invite you on a world trip to automotive history. Have fun. This time I take you to the US to a place called Way Out Salvage, and it is near Kingston in Arkansas. When I was there in the summer of 2023, the owner and his wife, they just started going out of business after more than 50 years dealing with old Volkswagen and parts. It's a very huge place, and this is the first section. You can see a lot of buses. Most of them are T2s. That means they were built between 1967 and 79. So later in this video you will also see a lot of Beetles, Type 3s, Type 4s, Karmann Ghias, and in the end even a Porsche 914. So this is one of the oldest buses, a T1. They were built until 1967. A Missouri license plate. And the story behind Way Out Salvage is pretty interesting because the owner told me back in the days they used to be hippies, he and his wife, and they were traveling the country, and someday they found this piece of land, bought it, and finally started their business. So that was more than 50 years ago. So here are the remains of a Karmann Ghias. So someone built this little, well, let's call it a buggy. So this place was part of my world trip, and I shot a lot of material in the US, in Indonesia, and Thailand. So watch out for my other videos. There'll be more to come, and it'll be pretty interesting because it's just the different places all over the world. But actually, most of the cars I've seen on my world trip were Volkswagen. So these are the Type 3s that were built between 1961 and 73. So all kinds of models, the fastbacks, the limousines, and the station wagons. So this one was one of my favorites. I don't know why, but it just looks beautiful. So here are a lot of Beetles around 1970. So here's some Karmann Ghias, and this one is a Type 4. They were built between, I think, 68 and 74. So this is the real Beatlemania. So as you can see, I'm the only one on that place. It's really amazing. So what do you think about this place? Just write it in the comments. We can start a discussion, everything. Just talk about old cars. A Scirocco. They started, I think, in 74. So here the black one in the background, the Porsche 914. So some more Karmann Ghias. They had only the Karmann Ghia 14, so the small one. There was also the 34, which looked a little bit like a Chevy Corvair. But I couldn't find one at Way Out Salvage. So here we got a convertible. I think it's the only one. Also not too much rust, so it would be restorable. So we're coming to an end. I would appreciate if you check out my other videos, leave a like, leave a comment, or even a subscription. Thank you very, very much.